Hello viewer, how I made the designs like that. I will show you in this tutorial. This will help you out to make your own designs like that. So first of all I will go with the pen tool design. Then keep on editing. Generate a shape here. Drag the image. So here we are. Make it fixed. There is a clipping mask we have generated. So then we will keep on making the shapes. I will drag the similar image there. And here I will stretch it. Make it fixed. So that's